Well, guys, first of all, happy 4th of July. Hope everybody, please y'all be safe out there. Don't be stupid like me. No, I'm just messing with you. I'm serious. The Predator Panther, like you just saw, I finished it and brought it home the day after last video went live. And me and her, my sister, have been riding around in it a little bit and getting her, get the feel of it. And she's a little bit scared of it. Well, that's an understatement. She's scared the hell over it. She's like damn deer in headlights. But she just needs more experience behind the wheel, whether I'm driving or if she's driving. She just needs to get the feel for it more. She'll get used to it. But that's about it on that project. I am out here in Archdale with the Southern Swag Truck Club group. As you can tell, I've got, I don't know if you can tell with the tent and everything, but I got the flag out. Ty over there with the white blazer, he's got his flag out, and this guy, he's got his flag out and everything. I think his YouTube is Truck Life Productions. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully get a little bit of that filmed, and we're going to be going down to the Creekside Parks and Recreation up the road here. So yeah, more to come. Stay tuned.
Damn, you bit.
Yeah. Their traffic is almost more than that. I was being serious. No.
There he is. You pissed on yourself, did you? Since when you smoke cigarettes? Smoke.